That could be a lot, but each category. Guys, what the fuck was January? What happened? Where's the motivation? I'm still looking for mine. I think I'm blaming the wellness girlies. I'm sorry. I love them. I am part of them, I guess. We have been pushing for an entire year, and now that it's the new year and we're supposed to have the motivation and the energy to tackle our goals, the motivation just left us. And I really want to give this year a restart. I want to press the restart button, and I think that this video is it. I'm just completely redoing my 2025. I'm going to change my goals, I'm going to change my vision board, I'm going to tackle some things that I have been procrastinating for an entire year. This video is gonna be the motivation you also need to really reset this year and restart. I actually started yesterday by making a new schedule, a new weekly schedule. Okay, so before we start, I wanted to make lunch, but I just remembered that the kitchen, I left it it's a mess. So let's clean that first and then make lunch. I pulled up these, and in there was also some Korean noodles, and I'm really fighting not to get these because it's not good to have them a lot, and I have been having them quite often. I want to get something that is healthy, easy to make but healthy, so... Okay guys, so I am done with lunch. I'm now going to tackle something that actually has been on my list for a while. It took sleepless nights to actually get myself to do this. Long story short, my wardrobe has been a mess for a while, and I thought, okay, I need to set aside some time to just fold my clothes nicely, especially since I'm also a fashion content creator. Sometimes I want to create outfits, but since I don't see what I have, it's harder to get the creativity, and I kind of forgot about it. And lately I have been waking up feeling very tired. Even if I sleep a lot, I'm still tired, and I'm all about energies, if the house has good chi or not. And lately I've been on 𝒷���𝓃𝓈, which is an app, a Chinese app, and I love it so much there. It looks like TikTok, but it's only people giving you advice, teaching you things. It's very entertaining, and I have been following health influencers and Chinese medicine practitioners that make videos over there. And one of them actually said that if you wake up very tired, even though you slept a lot, maybe try to organize under your bed, because it might be because you are sleeping literally on a pile of mess. I'm going to finally organize that and see if that actually changes something with my sleep, basically. I'm going to pop a podcast as usual. Talking about podcasts, if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I used to have a podcast that I took a break from, and I'm actually going to launch it back. I am super excited. I'm done with the wardrobe. Everything is nice and tidy, and I even used some incense under the bed to like kind of cleanse the energy, because I'm really hoping that this will work and that I will not get up tired anymore, because I used to just be able to jump out of bed and now I can't. So I also filmed some short content. Since I have my makeup on, I thought why not snap some like videos of like outfits. So this is done, and yeah, now I want to tackle my goals and my vision board, but I need some pick-me-up because it is 4 p.m. and I'm starting to feel a little sleepy. If you guys remember, I did my little coffee station here, so I thought let's use it, but I don't really know. I think I know what I want, but it's just that I wanted to try something different. But right now I'm in the mood of having something that is familiar and comforting. So yeah, I'm going to make a creme brulee coffee. Okay, let's taste it. I think that the syrup made it 10 times better. My mom made these little biscuits, like Arab biscuits. It's basically these. I'm sure a lot of you are gonna recognize these ones, and they're really good. Usually they're made when it's almost like spring, which we're not, but it's okay. Now let's go get our vision board fixed and set our new goals for this year. Okay, so we're now on my Notion page, and I wanted to show you because I already did that in another video, and I completed it by adding the rewards. So this is my goals list. These are still goals that I want, but I'm going to tailor them, make them maybe a little bit more clear, and find a better way to track them basically. So as you can see, I would track them by, for a workout for example, I had to like say, okay, 3 times a week is 156 a year, and so I would like go back here and just, you know, erase it and add another one. It's a process, and it's like creating friction. I divided my goals into different categories, and I highly recommend you do the same because it's so much better. A career goal, personal goal, finance goal, and you can have like a hobby or like something a little different. Now I want to actually change my vision board. It's like cute and all. The only thing is it doesn't resonate with me. It doesn't make me feel the feelings. And what's important about having a vision board is having this feeling of like looking at it and imagining you having these things and being excited, which I don't feel right now, and it's a problem. Your vision board isn't exciting, maybe redo it. There's nothing wrong with changing your mind. Don't care about what other will think, just it's for you. So if it's not serving a purpose for you, like what's the point, you know? So what you need to do is have your goals next to you. So I have my goals here, and also picture your dream self and also your dream life, and we're going to type some keywords and followed by aesthetic, because on Pinterest, if you want aesthetic pictures, you just put aesthetic and it's totally different vibe, and it matches the vibe of a vision board better. And you want to look at one that actually feels like as if you had it, you know? Yeah, this one, because I could definitely see myself like taking a picture of it on the bed like this, you know, something that really resonates with your life and really matches your life, you know? And then you're gonna keep going and saving at least like 3 to 4 pictures for each category or each goal. Maybe not each goal because that could be a lot, but each category. So 4 pictures would be one thing if you achieved that thing in your career, one thing that you would see like every day when working in your career, and third would be to complete the aesthetic and the feeling of it. I really recommend doing 3 per category. It's more than enough. I'm going to do that and I'll catch you up when I have everything to actually do the vision board. I'm done with my vision board. I will put it on screen just now. It is so much better, you guys. This one makes me feel so much better and so much more excited to actually accomplish what's on it. One thing I also want to do and be better at in 2025 is doing my skincare every day. I already do it every morning, but sometimes at night when I don't have makeup on, I'll just skip it, which then I can see like instant regret. I bought these clips. They're so cute, and I have like other ones like pink, different pinks, and I put the quartz looking ones because I don't know, I really love rose quartz. So right now I am wearing makeup, so obviously I need to take it off. Hey guys, so I just came back from my morning podcast walk. It was so nice. Anyways, so now I actually took a shower, I did my skincare and stuff, and now I'm going to like track my goals, because going on a walk this morning and yesterday I did my Pilates. Like right now I've been on a roll when it comes to like my workouts and my habits, so I want to get a nice goal tracker and also like a habit tracker. I'm going to jump on my computer now and let's find a good goals tracker. So I didn't want to get into too much details here, but this is basically how I got my Notion page. I basically go to templates and choose the one that I want. This one was very good because it was very complete for a free template. It had a lot of tracking, and also it includes a habit tracking, which I was looking for. So yeah, it's really complete and it offers a very good tracking for your goals. So I got this one and I'm really satisfied with it. I basically just replaced all the goals with my own and changed a little bit of the layout because it was better for me that way. That's pretty much it, and then you have yourself a very good goals and habits tracker. Okay, so it's gonna take a while, so I thought I would just play a podcast while I do this. I'm actually going to have lunch. I'm going to have lunch first, and then I'm going to go back to this, play a podcast while I put all my goals, figure out what I want to do monthly, because when you're filming, especially content like this where it's like kind of like improvising, like I'm just filming what I'm doing, and like you get to this like for example I have to write down my goals, but it's like I have to write down something for the video, obviously, to like have something to show, but I didn't have like enough reflection. So this is what actually happened with my first video of 2025 when I was doing my vision board. Even though I loved like the vision board, like the goals I did, like it was fine, but I didn't have enough time to really sit down and really think about what I want to manifest this year, what I want to accomplish. Hey guys, it is much later. It is actually the next week, and now we're about to tackle the kitchen. We're going to do like an actual deep cleaning of the kitchen, so I think we're looking at 4 hours of cleaning. Put on a nice podcast and just get started.